Hi friends, today we are going to think about how it helps us to find word parts in a word that we know. This says, if you know. That means when you are looking at a word, you think about what you know. You know this word, is. We know the word is. And if we know the word is, that can help us to read other words. Let's look over here at these words. Do we see the word is in one of these bigger words? Right here. I see the word is. And all this word is the word is with an H added on the front. Let's try to sound this out. We know IS says is, so we know this part is is. Let's add the H sound. H is. H is. H is his. This is the word his. And knowing the word is helps us to figure out the bigger word. All we have to do is add the H sound on the front. Let's look at the next word. We know the word in. In. Can knowing the word in help us figure out one of these bigger words? You're right. This one. We see in at the end of this word. So we know that in says in. Now we just have to add the P sound on the beginning. P, in, pin. Let's look at the next one. At, hat. We know the word hat. If we know the word hat, can it help us to figure out a different word over here? You're right. It helps us to figure out this word. Let's look at the beginning sound, because the beginning sound changed. The AT stayed the same, so we know the AT says at. The beginning sound is now a B. B, at, bat. And this word is to. We know the word to. Knowing the word to can help us to figure out this word. The only thing that's different is the beginning sound. So that O is still going to kind of make that oo sound, but we're going to change it from t-oo to d-oo. Do. So when we know our smaller sight words like this, it can help us to figure out bigger words. We look at the bigger word, we look for the part that we know, and we make the sound for the parts that we don't, and put it together. H, is, his. We know the word in. Let's add the P. P, in, pin. We know AT says at. Let's add the B. B, at, bat. I can even use my pen to draw on the screen and show you. We know is, in, and at. All we have to do is make the first sound. And that can help us to put the word together. H is his. P, in, pin. B, at, bat. Today, you guys will be playing a word matching game, and you guys are going to flip over cards and make a match. Now, how you make a match is you find a word, a smaller word, that can help you to figure out the bigger word. So if you flip over a card that says is, and then you flip over his, those are a match because knowing is can help you to figure out his. If you flip over the card in, then in and pin will be a match because inside of the word pin, we see that smaller word in. In can help you figure out pin, so those would be a match. Hat and bat would be a match because they both have at in them. And to and do will be a match because they both have the same ending. The O and the beginning sound is just different. So you're going to match words or make a match thinking about, can this word help me figure out this one? The word is inside his, so those will be a match.